Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change your shipping prices for your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the options that you have for editing your site. So looking at the left side of the screen, you can see all the sections you can access such as home, orders. Here you can see your products, customers, and so on. So guys, now what we want to do to be able to change the shipping prices for our products is to go ahead and open up the settings option right here at the left side of the screen. At the very bottom of the page is the settings option. And now we want to go ahead and open it up so that we can now see this new page with all the settings we can access, and we want to scroll down until we find this option right here called shipping and delivery. After opening up shipping and delivery guys, now we can go ahead, as you can see, this is opened up the shipping and delivery menu. Go ahead guys and click on the rates option right here. This will take you to this new page where now we can select new rates. As you can see, we have a domestic rate where we can set how much it costs, and then we have the international rates. So what we can do is either change these rates or we can add a new rates by clicking the add rate button and go ahead and select what the rate name is and what the price is. So go ahead, I'm going to put the price to be at 550, and after that guys, you can go ahead and click on done. As you can see, now people will be able to select some of these shipping options. But yeah guys, basically that is it. Just go ahead and click on save, and after saving it, now this will be applied to your store. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.